Hi friends, today I am here to introduce Motilal Oswal Multi-Asset Fund. As you may be aware, the current investment landscape is quite peculiar, whereby one can see that interest rates in all forms, whether it's at fixed deposits, secondary market, bond yields, government securities yields, small saving rates. I think everything has declined quite dramatically. I think savings rate at about 2.75 to 3%, and the 10-year government bond well below 6%. Bank deposits all in the range of 5 to 6%. For the conservative investor or for the investor looking at fixed income related options, I think there's a serious dearth of investment avenues. Keeping this landscape in mind, we are also aware that we can't just generally tell a fixed income investor to move into equity just because interest rates are low. So keeping this particular scenario in mind, we at Motilal Oswal Asset Management have created this multi-asset fund, which is a fixed income oriented fund with the objective of doing just a little bit more than what fixed interest is providing right now. So the objective of the fund is to do better than fixed income with as low volatility as possible. And this fund has been created quite uniquely as a fixed income oriented multi-asset fund. It has a combination of four different asset classes, which is domestic equity, international equity, gold, and fixed income. On an average, we expect domestic equity to be in the range of about 15 to 20% in terms of percentage allocation of the portfolio. Fixed income to be on an average in the vicinity of 50 to 55%. International equity by way of the S&P 500 index would be about 10% of the fund, and gold would be about 10% of the fund. The idea of having international equity and gold in the fund is to ensure that they act as volatility dampeners, and domestic equity and fixed income is something which should contribute to the returns. Uh, the objective of the fund, as you will appreciate by now, is very clearly not to compete with equity, not to compete with balanced funds or dynamic equity funds, but the objective of the fund is very clearly to provide fixed income kind of returns, or maybe do just slightly better than what fixed income is doing right now with the least possible volatility. So who is this suitable? It's most suitable for conservative investors who are not happy with the current level of fixed income yields, and at the same time, they are not able to take the risk of moving into equity and go the whole hog. A combination of four asset classes with low correlation or no correlation is found to optimize returns and at the same time reduce volatility quite significantly. So I thank you for listening me out and solicit your kind attention to the Motilal Oswal Multi-Asset Fund. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.